Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment, week 32. We need a cake or a dessert. I've got this. An instrument with keys I am not going to use. I'm going to use the bonus piece of ribbon instead. I've got a flying insect and polka dots. And this is actually a picture of a garden flag. So this is my flag. First thing I'm doing is gluing down my background of polka dots, which actually I think I'm going to ink. I'm going to ink up with my, what is it, potting soil ink. This is my best one that works, that I have that works. I think I'm running out of inks. Brown inks, anyway. Okay, so I found out today that I may have mentioned in a previous video that a store was going in next to our brand new Michael's, and it is indeed a Five Below, but it probably won't actually be done until sometime next year. I looked inside. You can see inside when you drive by, and it's like totally gutted. It used to be one of those rent-to-own stores, and that one moved out, and they decided to put the Five Below in there, which is really nice for us because we don't have a lot of options here for stores. And it's a small store. Like, I hate like taking my daughter into, I don't like taking her into Walmart because it's so big and overwhelming. I don't really even love going into Walmart myself, actually. So I think Five Below would be a perfect little store to take her into when she's visiting us. Alright, and I think I'm also going to ink this up. And so we had a 2-day sleepover this weekend, and our daughter that moved away came up with the 2 kids, and we had a great time playing with the kids. We went out to the park, we went out to McDonald's for breakfast. Sorry if you're against McDonald's, but we had a great time. And I got the hot cakes, because that's about the only thing I can eat at McDonald's. They used to have salads, but they don't have those anymore, I noticed. We haven't been in McDonald's in years. Like, many years. So here is, I think I'm going to put that like that. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to center it. I think I'm going to put it over to the side. There's my flag. And here's my ice cream, which is my dessert. So that's going to go like right there. And I think our bee, I'm just going to put the bee like that. But what about maybe I should put the bee like this. Because I need to put this somewhere. And this is going to go right across the top, I do believe. So I'm going to cut this little bee off so I have a complete bee, hopefully all the way across. Well, I'm still going to only have a partial bee wing right here. But you see, I can cut that off right there. So that's going to go up there. And I still feel like I want to put the bee there, but maybe I'll just put the bee here like that. He's going to be happy. Should he go down here? I'm going to go ahead and put this down with my 3-in-1 glue. So we're going to, it's coming out. Lo and behold. It's coming out. I hope you guys are all doing well. We are actually having a, well, I don't know if we're still having it, but it's still raining. We had a little bit of a thunderstorm. Oops, I'll pull this over. We're picking up my daughter Rachel at the airport tonight. She's coming in from Japan. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before, but my daughter Rachel is a missionary in Japan, and she teaches preschool. She teaches the kids English. Most of them really are pretty good, already pretty good English speakers, though. So she'll be here for a month. She won't be with us for a whole month because she wants to go visit her sister that moved in Pennsylvania too. I'll stay with her for about 10 days. So that's going to be fun. Bethany's going to come home next weekend, and Rachel will be here, so that'll be nice. And now I just have to figure out where to put my bee. And every year, Rachel doesn't come home for Christmas. Every year we get a gingerbread kit, like a gingerbread house kit, and put it in the freezer, and then Rachel and Bethany put together the gingerbread house. It's kind of becoming a little bit of a tradition. So our bee is going here. I don't know if that is a bee, actually, is it? It doesn't look, it's not striped like a bee, I guess. Not all bees are striped, though. Make sure all my little wings and legs are down. I did a pretty darn good job. I even cut the little tiny antenna out pretty good. So anyway, that's it for week 32. My dessert: no instrument with keys, a flying insect, polka dots, flag, and ribbon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you are happy, healthy, and safe, and well fed, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.